All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Brandon Coin YouTube channel. It has been a while since I've jumped on the new hot thing there for a while. I saw Son of a Tech's video this morning, and then I saw, I believe, Rabid Mining did a video on it, and it looks like ALEO is no longer the king of GPU profitability, that is, and who knows how long that statement's going to last, because it looks like already a ton of people have piled onto Astrix, and yeah, so I'm not gonna take credit away from those guys. I'm gonna put Son of a Tech and Rabid Mining's video underneath there, because I did watch both of those before I did anything. And if you need to get it set up, they both did a really good job of showing it. I'm just gonna show what I'm using, what it's mining at, and see if we can't do some tweaking on it while we're here. All right, so let me pull it up. Where are we at here? So I just threw a 3070 on it for the time being. I'm getting 350, give or take, mega hash. I have not started pulling any of the power back. I was actually going to see if I could pull some of that power back right now. Let's try it. Let's just roll her right back to like 85%. I am doing this on Windows. I know, not optimal, but it's in my test bench machine, so. Looks like she was at 209 watts previous to me pulling the power back. We're at 184 watts, and it looks like, oh, look at that. The mega hash has pretty much stayed the same. So we'll give that a second to run. Might try to pull it back here some more in a second. This is the pool. I'm using the mining4people.com pool. I'm showing 354 mega hash. Last share was 9 seconds ago. Confirmed balance is 9.5 AIX. Okay, so that's pretty cool. I have no idea. Oh, it looks like I have a income. Oh, it's already available. 6.2 AIX. So price of Astrix AIX is currently 0 on live coin watch. ZEGX, it is 0.000, 3 zeros and a 4. So yeah, we haven't mined much yet, but we're getting there. So 0.0004 times 6. So I've mined a quarter of a penny so far. I just got this on like not even 10, maybe, I don't know, 15 minutes ago. What's it say on the, let me go back to the miner. We've been at it for, not super familiar with SRB miner, if it has like an uptime on here or not. Yeah. Oh, we got a subscriber. What's up? Welcome to the team. Anyway, let's try to pull this power back some more, because we didn't really lose hash rate. We lost a little bit, but not much. But we shaved down like 20 watts. Let's go 75%. This is a 3070. It's an HP OEM 3070 for reference. So nothing crazy. Let's see what the next little blip's going to be. 186 watts currently. I'd like to get that down to like 150. That'd be nice. There we go, 160. That's better. 163. We're at still 350. So it looks like we could pull that bad boy on down. 64%. Let's see what that does. According to Rabid Mining, because he did his video later after Son of a Tech, like hours later, profitability was still better on Astrix than ALEO, but be warned, the daily emissions on Astrix, or the amount that is being paid out, so to speak, of value per day is low. It's a little over $2,000, so nowhere near what ALEO is paying out daily. So just take that with a grain of salt. That means there's only $2,000 to go around. So the more people that get on, the less piece of pie that they get. I'm literally just turning this one GPU onto it. More of like not a mine it up and sell it really fast kind of thing. More of like just a little speculative thing. I could stack up some coins. If it does something, great. If it doesn't, no harm, no foul. You know what I'm saying? It looks like we dropped about 20 mega hash on that last one, so there is some sort of a breaking point right there. Let's try to bump that back up. Like, let's go to the magical 69%. See if we can't get that. I love that 350 mega hash. We'll let it go through another little blip here in a second. And I know it's not good to like change overclocks that fast. You know how it is, ladies and gentlemen. All right, you know how it is. Come on, you got it. Do it. Come on. Yeah, from watching those videos, also just for reference, it looks like a 3060 is somewhere in like the 150 mega hash range. So yeah, like a 3070 being at like 350, honestly more than I thought it would be. Come on, give me another readout. 328. We got to go back up on our power. We'll go back to 75. I want my 350 mega hash. That core clock back up. It was at 1755. We're at 1800. Bouncing back and forth. Come on. 350. Drop it. Also, do your own research. Like background on this coin. Will it go to 0? Maybe. Will it go to 100? Most likely not. But anything could happen. I don't want anybody to think this is financial advice. Go and turn your entire farm onto it. I definitely pulled power down way too fast. We're gonna let's give this bad boy a little memory. Let's go like plus 825. All right, it didn't immediately crash. I'm super like new with this algorithm. Astrix hash. Apparently it's similar to Caspa, I guess is what some people were saying. Let's see this next blip, and then I'll let you guys go. So I gave it more power, and I gave it a lot more memory. We are up over 8,000 on the memory right now. It hasn't fully taken. We're at 339 mega hash. Oh, see it. Right now it's showing memory at 7625. Oh no, we are at 7625. I thought we were over 8,000. My bad. Well, we'll let that climb back up. I'll give it a little bit more power, and we'll just let it do its thing. I'll report back, and who knows, we might be rich, swimming in buckets of money, or most likely I'll just report back that I missed the boat on this one. You know, but at least I got a line out, right? Anyway, y'all have a good one. I'll see you on the next one. Adios. There we go, 348. We're climbing 175 watts. I don't think that's bad. I don't know. Let me know down below. What's your mega hash on your 3070s or 3060 Ti's?